Sunrise Boss Production.
I used to play football too.
Oh, yeah.
So I get to I study.
In a real life. Yeah, so far.
Alright.
Yeah.
CLIFTON family again.
Yeah, man.
Alright, we out here. We out here.
Welcome to the Nassau, Bahamas. Come and join us.
Back
In
at
a real
CLIFTON.
life.
Welcome.
Yes, peeps. Welcome in at the Bahamas. And you know these are them drink. Yeah, man. I see a lot of colics over here.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, that's what they say. Colics and salad. Salad what? Conch salad.
Yeah, come salad. Yeah.
Yeah, that's
You
what
don't know
goes
come
together.
salad? You had come salad yet?
Yeah, I try it.
You try. You didn't like it?
No, not really. Maybe me have to go try it again. Well, maybe the one of me taste to me, it want more lime and it want more salt.
Oh, more lime, more sauce.
So you see next time me I go, me I carry my own lime juice and my own salt.
So how much that here?
You gotta go to Dino's.
Dino's, that's where I go. Dino's.
That's where you been?
Yeah.
Well,
So you guys want to buy our
Fish
in
fry.
the back?
No way, we've been by Bush Gardens. Bush Gardens had some good conch salad and squash conch.
yeah, and
Right.
it maybe I try the first me I eat it, and in Jamaica you know when I eat raw
Yeah, I don't
food.
need raw food, yeah.
Yeah. So me I say the one of them give me maybe if it is more sour and more salt, more I eat it.
Yeah,
So
Bush-
next
Bush
time I'm
Gardens.
order it with more salt and more lime. So it's sour.
That's a Bohemian grill,
Charging
man.
why, yeah.
For you?
Lunchtime now.
This is your food, Jason.
Oh, this is mine?
Yeah.
Okay,
The garlic
thanks.
butter, cheese, and
Parmesan.
parmesan for the potato. And
Okay.
the
Corn.
corn.
Mr. Bart, Mr. Wiley, sorry. It's your food. Yeah, because
Yep.
I want you guys to protect it from
The flies.
One pirate fish. You do the corn like this?
Hmm?
The corn like this?
It's sweet corn?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it's good.
It's another color.
Yeah?
Yeah. Y'all want to know how much alcohol?
No, only
Rodler's what? 2%?
yeah.
That's a five. That should be like 3%.
2%.
You see that drunk?
Yeah, man, 2% can't do me nothing. It's good. Yeah, man, Irish.
You didn't like the kung salad?
Huh?
You didn't like the kung salad?
Dino.
Oh, you went to Dino's right here.
Yeah?
You had the vegetable on the fruit one?
Yeah,
or-
the fruits.
No, you need the other one.
Regular,
The
regular.
regular one. With the
That's the
herbs.
tropical salad you want.
Yeah.
Mm.
I don't like that. Yeah, get the other one.
Lobster.
I cut it off. It'll be ready. Slice it, so I just kind of put it so everybody can get a piece.
Yummy. No, may I try some of them.
When you want crawfish, they cut it.
Sauce.
It's already cut in half. That's why I want to break it.
Active.
That's plenty. I need to get a knife.
You want a fork to dig it out?
No, I have a
Oh, and Sheldon it can. In a real life.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I'm eating some things like that.
It look a sauce nice. Yep. Okay. Lobster. Okay, let's hold this. Yeah, man. Lobster peeps. Ah, nice. But want to put some sauce over it. Yep.
You want
Yep. Where's that name? The sauce name?
garlic's, butter and garlic.
Oh, butter and garlic.
Yes.
Okay. Butter and garlic. It's nice. Yep.
Lime for the fish.
Oh yeah, you give the cup, okay? You give the cup. Cut about it on it.
Right there.
Yep. So it's a combination. Lime, like a squeeze on the fish. Yeah.
Whatever you need.
I put it right here. Oh, you want to put it in?
You want me to?
Yep. Put some lime juice.
Right here.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
It's not just on top.
Lovely. Here, Jasmine. And
Lobster.
right there.
This is the lobster peeps.
I was there.
You only have food. Who else anything? That's you?
Yeah, man.
I know the dish.
Okay, so
In
that's
real life,
I get
No, real life.
Just, you stick.
it's a one napkin.
Yeah, what a white stuff in the bottle. Yeah.
White and moss?
Oh, cheese. Oh,
Oh yeah, that's some, yeah. The cheese
Oh.
put over it.
yeah. The
It
cheese
goes-
nice when I mix it with the sauce together.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
you mix it.
Cause a while ago I come and get some of this sauce from you and you know nice. And I come back now my plate and I get the niceness. So I
See,
realize I gotta mix
yeah.
it together.
Yeah, you have to mix it together.
Mm-hmm.
It's almost like when you're doing pasta as well and pizza.
Yep. Cheese nice.
one thing with these flies, like you won't get them like them nowhere. They find it.
But it's organic.
Yeah.
The organic.
Yes, until this is Johnson. That's fine, that's fine. I don't want to talk to you.
Yes, digging at this.
How's the chicken? Good?
In a real life. Yeah, man.
I think they close up everything.
Alright. I think this is my combination for everything when I eat up here.
Yeah.
Anything.
Pick one of them.
Yeah, anything when I go try. You have to eat the mango flavor. Calic, yeah. The peeps.
Going with the mango.
Yeah, man, it's nice. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, fully empty now. All gone.
Alright. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, man, it's like. Yes, so me just get me jerk chicken and stuff, so me make you know how it tastes, but go up here so go shot the next video. Yeah man, fully active. This is just them garden, you know what I mean? Whole heap of different fruits. Them have cherry there, so you see pretty. So them just name them and put the name them there. Take a walk through, go down, bicycle, catch up on tree. Nice little outside here. Nice little chill spot. Them say me go down through here, so let's see what going down there, some peeps. I'm on some car rim, coconut. Yeah man, thing active. Welcome here. Yeah, it's nice. A little bit dark, but come out, that's so nice. Yeah, here so I hear that they do wedding. Yeah, if you're married, you can come married down here. So any little church session, any little thing you keep, you can come keep it down here. So notice them have a heap of seat and seat over there. So they have a little table. So everything alright. You see, pre? Yeah man, everything active. That's the right thing. Subscribe to the channel, and for them business place, may I leave all of them link in the description. So remember to check out the CLIFTON family and come tour the place and enjoy the real culture of Bahamas in a real life. Peace and love. I'm out. Subscribe.
Got everything?
All the Clifton merchandise.
Thank you.
On behalf of Clifton, we'd like to extend
Santa Claus.
our gratitude for your hospitality during our visit in Jamaica.
Thank you so much.
And you open up. These openers for you. When you want to drink your red stripe, you can put this on your keys. Number one, open on the back
Okay.
for you and the guys, and then some ID.
Sure.
Open his cup, Jazz.
With the snakes on it. Keep your
Yep.
drinks nice and cool.
Yeah. Really appreciate it.
And then some ID cards. Put your driver's license and hang it around your neck.
Okay. Yeah.
What I do?
And I put phone there for you now.
Almost finished. Get him out. Yo, say, I jerk chicken a while ago, Peter. Me I tell us say, it body bad. Me could even go for the camera if you start video. Why? I just them a left in here. I see it and still I find something else for more. Young, trying to try up, bone them there. Bad man. You bad man. Not really life.